Hi, good morning. Myself, Tanush Digani. I'm here to share my experience with you, the process that I went through for this hair transplantation. I went through this process in the month of January this year, and it's been 8 months. You can see my results over here. I'm completely satisfied with my results, or I would say more than satisfied. I'm really happy with my results, the more than I expected. You can see the temples over here. These small things do matter a lot. Plus, it was a pain-free process. It was a very comfortable process. Plus, they made sure that I was comfortable through the process as well. And the services that they provide post this, the medicines that we take, the lotions that we apply, the serums, and they do a regular follow-up with their clients. And the doctor Gaurav, he's doing a very good job over there. And I would say if you're looking for anything for the hair transplant, or you're not sure about the hair transplant, or you're searching the market, then Enhance is the place for you. Thank you.